This is the second video of this playlist, and I'm going to present a discussion essay from IELTS Academic 18 and walk you through these steps to write a good answer for it. Alright, let's begin. As usual, we need to spend some time on the statement and understand it. Some university students want to learn about other subjects in addition to their main subjects. Others believe it's more important to give all their time and attention to studying for a qualification. Discuss both these views and give your own opinion. So there are two views here: students who want to learn other objects, and view 2, students who think it's important to focus on their major during their education. So we need to discuss both of them and also give our opinion. So when we say we need to discuss both views, it means that we should say why those people in view 1 think like that, and why people in the second view hold that view, right? And then we should say which one we agree with, or totally we have a different view. So for view 1, I think they think like this because they're curious and they want to know more about different subjects. And I think it helps them have a better understanding of the world challenges. The real life challenges. And for view 2, I think they think like this because focusing on other subjects may waste their time and energy, so they may not be able to finish their studies on time. That's why they need to focus on their major only. So I agree with the second view, so I think students should focus on their main subjects. So it's time to paraphrase this statement. This is my paraphrase. It's popular among some university students to embrace the opportunity to explore subjects beyond their main majors. So this is the paraphrase for view 1. The second one: conversely, others prefer to focus solely on their chosen fields of study. So I kept the same meaning. As you know, the most important point in paraphrasing is to keep the same meaning. So when many students want to learn about other subjects, I think it's popular among them, right? If you don't like this phrase, it's popular, you could use a more formal phrase like it is increasingly prevalent. So I paraphrased view 1 and view 2, and now it's time to write my own opinion. Considering the benefits and obstacles associated with both approaches, I believe that students should prioritize their major and not lose sight of their objective. So this is my introduction. I simply paraphrased view 1 and view 2 and presented my own opinion. Now, for view 1, if you remember, I said that they think like this because they're curious and it helps them have a better understanding of the world challenges. So I need to present it in my first body paragraph and develop that. It is perfectly normal for students to desire to learn about other subjects alongside their main majors. Why? In today's interconnected world, academic disciplines often complement each other. For example, the boundaries between fields like business, technology, and psychology are not as distinct as these structured syllabuses may suggest. So what is the result of this? As a result, exploring diverse subjects can offer students a more comprehensive understanding of the real-world complexities. Moreover, embracing the opportunity to broaden their horizons beyond their primary majors can enrich students' academic journeys and nurture their intellectual curiosity. Now the second one, they think like this because focusing on other subjects may waste their time and energy, and as a result, they cannot finish their studies on time. While curiosity and exploration are valuable aspects of a student's academic journey, it is essential to maintain a balance between breadth and depth in their learning pursuits. So why? Why is it important? Students should ensure they dedicate enough time and energy to their field as they progress through university. Otherwise, it may result in surface-level knowledge and a lack of proficiency in their major. Such an approach could lead to challenges in obtaining their qualification, delays in graduation, or difficulty in pursuing their desired career paths. Now, I need to conclude. If you watched the first video, I said that your conclusion is the paraphrased version of your introduction without adding anything new to it. So you need to restate your opinion and summarize the main given points. In conclusion, Exploring other subjects beyond their syllabuses can empower students to understand real-world complexities better. However, now I need to mention my opinion. Prioritizing their academic areas guarantees depth and proficiency, leading to success in the chosen field and enhancing their potential for success in the job market. So I organized my essay in 4 paragraphs. I paraphrased the statement and presented my opinion in the first paragraph in my introduction. In the first body paragraph, I discussed view 1, and in the second one, I discussed view 2. And in my conclusion, I restated my own opinion and summarized the main points. So in this slide, you can see the points that gave coherence and cohesion to my essay. You could pause and take a screenshot and read it for yourself, and you will learn more about these 2 points. Also, in the next 3 slides, you will find the collocations, useful collocations from this essay with their simplified meaning. Again, you could pause, take a screenshot, and use them in your own essays. All right, hope you found that useful. Have a nice day.